Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and copy your seed deposit address on KuCoin. Let's go over to KuCoin. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. This is the home page of KuCoin, and at the upside you're going to see deposits at the right corner there. Let me go over to it, and here to the search you enter my passcode for me to gain access, and you can see the deposits over there. Let me go over to it. And yeah, over here you can see a lot of crypto coin here, and what you have to do is for you to go over to the search side, which is at the upside, and type in seed and look at it over there. So let me go over to it right now. You just have to tap it, and here it's saying select network, and you know the network for the seed is soy. You can see it over there, and here is for you to copy the address, the deposit address, and you can see address over here, and you can see this copy icon here. You just have to go over to it and just tap it. Over here it said you can only deposit seeds to this address using soy network. Other methods will result in your deposits not being credited. Okay, let's do confirm. Over here you can see save image and share address, and you can share your address to anyone on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and you can also save the image to your phone right away. Let me go over to save it, and it says save, it says screenshot save to your phone. And the best way for you to do is for you to just copy it. Let me go over do not remind me for 7 days and do confirm, and go over to it, and it's showing copied, which means I've copied my seed deposit address here. And the other way for you to do it, for you, in case you didn't see deposit at the upside, for you to go over to assets. You can see it there, assets. Let's go over to assets here, and you can see deposit crypto. You can go over to deposit crypto. Let me go over to deposit crypto, and you can search seed over here. You can search it seed, and you go over here, which is the select network, and you can copy your deposit address at the right side. So guys, I've been able to show you how to find and copy your seed deposit address on KuCoin. This is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.